Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious quiche, Jamie Oliver style. First, let's get started with the pastry. You'll want to prepare a simple short crust pastry using about 250 grams of flour. After mixing, chill it for at least 30 minutes. This makes it much easier to roll out. Then, carefully line a 23-centimeter tart tin with your pastry, ready for the next step. Next, we'll create that wonderfully rich filling. In a bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs with 300 milliliters of a cream and milk mixture. Don't forget to season it generously with salt, pepper, and a little pinch of nutmeg for that classic flavor. Now's the time to prepare your favorite fillings, whether it's crispy bacon, your preferred cheese, or some lovely sautéed vegetables. Now for the exciting part, assembling and baking. Evenly scatter your prepared fillings, like that delicious bacon and cheese, over the base of your pastry shell. Then, very carefully pour the creamy egg mixture right into the pastry. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes, until it's beautifully golden and set. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Once your quiche is out of the oven, let it cool down just a little before you slice into it. This helps it set perfectly and makes for cleaner slices. You can enjoy your homemade quiche warm, or it's equally delicious served at room temperature. It's truly wonderful for brunch, a light lunch, or even a simple dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.